Hey guys, Brian here at Reversible Equipment and Truck. Just finished up this KT Pacer feed body, brand new. It's sitting on a 2011 Peterbilt 365. Has inverted rack and pinion floor doors in it with a wireless 6-function remote. Alright guys, here's the inverted rack and pinion floor doors, and here's how they work. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Hey, be sure to like and subscribe. If you like our videos, just click down and subscribe to them. It only takes a few minutes. Lets us know if we're doing a good job. But that's it for this one. We'll catch you on the next one. I appreciate it.